Hi there! Want to learn how to quickly create a list of business days only in Excel? Let me help. Hey, I'm Sharyn from Excel at Work, where we offer straightforward, non-technical assistance to help you save time, work smarter and improve your Microsoft Office skills. So, let's look at how you can easily create a list of working days only. I'll take you through 3 different options so that you can find the best option for you. I've popped jump links to each option in the notes below so that you can quickly jump to the one you need. However, if you're wanting to fully understand all that Excel has to offer, I'd suggest you watch them all. Right, let's create a list of working days only. Right, let's create a list of weekdays only. So I have typed a date into cell B3. I'm in New Zealand and our date format is day, month, year. So you're looking at the 22nd of December 2020. Now I'm just going to come up onto the Home tab and change the format from short date to long date so that you can actually see the weekday on the actual date. Now, if I want to create a list of days, all I need to do is take my mouse pointer up to the handle, that tiny wee little green dot, and I can get my AutoFill cross, that little black cross here, click down, hold down and drag down to create a list. Now when I release my mouse, you're going to see I now have a list of days. The thing is, we have Saturday and Sunday included in the list, but what we can do is we can whip down to the AutoFill options and select weekdays. Now as soon as I do that, watch the Saturday and Sunday disappear. Look at that. Okay, so that's an awesome way to do it if you just want a fixed list of dates. But if you do want a list of dates that perhaps moves as a formula, then I'll show you another option in a minute. One thing I do want to point out here too is, of course, the 25th of December in New Zealand is a holiday. It's Christmas. So of course I wouldn't want that actually included in my list, and the next option I'm about to show you would allow you to exclude it using formulas. So let's just make our way over to the Workday tab, and I'll explain to you how to use what's called the Workday function. So again, I've just got Tuesday the 22nd of December up the very top there. You can see that's just how it's been typed, and it has that long date format over the top of it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come down to the cell below and I'm going to start typing equals Workday. Now pressing my tab key, I'm just now going to click onto the start date, comma 1, which is basically saying take that day and add 1 to it, but bring me back the next work day. So the Workday function eliminates Saturdays and Sundays. So I'm just pressing my enter key and I'll copy that down now. Let's go down a wee way. And you're going to see that you've now got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That's nice and easy, isn't it? But again, of course, we've got Christmas Day in there again. So we can take that a little step further. If you're just wanting something like that, that's nice and easy, isn't it? But I'm now going to go and change that formula. I'm just going to go up to here to the insert function arguments. I'm going to come down to holidays. Now this allows you to make a list of holiday dates, and you could do it for the whole year if you wanted to. I've just given you a little sample down here, and you type those into cells somewhere in your worksheet or in your workbook. Once you're in the holidays area, just click and drag over those holiday dates. When you click onto OK, they will then be eliminated. Now I just need to come up here. I'm just pressing my F4 key to anchor that range. Otherwise, of course, if I actually copy it down, it will creep away from this area here. Pressing my enter key now, and I'm just going to copy this down, and you will see, yes, we have got weekdays, but you're also going to see that the 25th of December and the 26th of December have disappeared. The 26th would have anyway because it's a weekend. But you can see that we now have got this opportunity to be able to actually step over holidays. What if I come down here? Obviously, we know that that would be a holiday here. If I come down now and pop that down here, so that's going to be the 1st of the 1st, 2021. And I'm now going to just whip up to here. I'll go to the top again. I'll just extend that out so that it's actually going to have that extra day there. And I'll copy that down now into the other cells. And there you go. So you can see that that's a nice, precise way of doing it. Of course, it is a formula, so it's a little bit more technical than what I showed you with the AutoFill list, but it gets you there, doesn't it? Okay, I hope you like it. So I really hope this instruction has been helpful and you are now able to quickly create a list of working days only. If this has been helpful, please let me know in the comments below. And if you use Excel and want to stay connected, please consider liking, following, subscribing, because I'm sharing new videos regularly. And if you know someone who would benefit from this help, please be sure to share this video with them. Hey, thanks for watching and have a fabulous day.